Barely a week after Zimbabwe's largest heist at Ecobank, where robbers made off with 4 million, another violent robbery is hit the country. Sandapinda mashoko ari kuoneka kuti aiwa nyika yezimbabwe yatongova heist zone, yatongova robbery zone, ichioneka kuti pasina kana a week ava vakomana varobha 4 million kuecobank pakutoonekwa patova neimwe robbery. Sandapinda mashoko amuda nyugwa pana kuti subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina muzimba yanyora pachiti. This time, a home in Harare township, Esgodini, became the target of two arrested assailants on 5 October 2024 at around 6:30 p.m. The Zimbabwe Republic Police reported that two suspects wielding pistols stormed the residence and stole a staggering $45,000 in cash. During this attack, one of the occupants was shot in the chest and is currently receiving medical treatment at a Bulawayo hospital. The authorities are appealing for any information that may assist in tracking down the culprits involved in this latest robbery. In a separate but equally alarming incident on October 3, 2024, a group of 8 armed suspects struck a security company in Avondale, Harare. Domashwa rubuda panapa arikuona kuti aiwa marobbery cases they are rising munyika yeZimbabwe. Some people are suspecting that aiwa yes, very possible that these robbery cases are rising just because people they are struggling. Vanakutambura kuna mabasa, the economy iri kudecline, people they are finding it difficult to put the food on the table. So the only option yanenge vanayo kutongonoroba. This is another version yemafunguro ari kuita vamwe vari kufunga kuti aiwa these are inside jobs, kuti aiwa vanhu vari kuuya vachirobha vanenge vachitoziva information yethose institutions vangoya zvavo vachingoba, but kuingirisa kunoita macases uku aiwa kwava very concerning. Kunoda kuadressiwa, vanoda kuti aiwa vanhu vese vakurana namabusiness vakuziva kuti their business they are no longer secure, but anytime they can be robbed. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.